Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10s. So now this is the box, and we have the Southeast Asian version. We have the black color, and let's look at some specifications real quick. Now this A10 features a fingerprint sensor and a dual camera setup. Now it comes as the regular A10 with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The cameras are 13 megapixel on the back plus 2, and on the front we have an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Also, this is duos, meaning that this is the dual SIM version. Now let's open the box and see what's inside of the phone. We have the paperwork here. Paperwork. We have the phone itself. We have a micro USB to A, USB cable, and also a brick. A charging brick. Now this is not fast charging, this is just a regular one. Also we have the SIM ejection tool. Now I believe this spot here is for the earphones, but this box was unopened. I opened it myself and it has no earphones inside, so let's just look at the phone. Let's remove the plastic. Now we have the dual cameras on the back, flashlight, a fingerprint sensor that is orientated horizontally. Here on the right side we have the power button. Let's turn on the device, front facing camera, and the earpiece. On the left we have volume up and down and the SIM card tray. While on the bottom we have the micro USB port, a headphone jack, and the small speaker on the left side. Now I have already opened the device, so there is no welcome screen. We're gonna boot up straight to the menu. Now I'm gonna open the cameras, the camera app, but first let's go to settings. Now this is the menu. Let's go to settings and about phone, software information, and we have One UI Core 1.1 and the Android version 9. Android Pie. So now worth mentioning that the top bottom here, this phone is not bezel-less. I mean, just look at the top bottom here, and I mean it has some bezels, but it's nice. It's kind of thick actually. Feels like an M10 on hand. Now let's open the camera and see what they've added on the camera. So I believe that it's just the live focus. Now we have a live focus and we can focus on objects. You have a pro mode and a panorama. Nothing too fancy. Now on the rear video size, we can shoot video up to full HD. And even on the front facing camera we can shoot a video up to full HD. Now the internal storage is 32 gigabytes and only 10.2 gigabytes are occupied by the system. Now basically this was the video, guys. I will see you on the next one.